came out of the anesthesia, I said, I love you too. But I was saying, I love this office because you guys just took something away that I just didn't think I was gonna ever feel good about myself.
Good.
I just feel so happy now. And even though I'm only 3 months, it's like, oh, you know, later on I'm gonna even look prettier.
Even better.
Yeah,
Yes.
even better.
Better and better and better.
Yes.
It's all just part of the process. You know?
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're feeling better. I know
Yeah.
that you went through a lot, and it's scary to have to go through surgery again, especially knowing how big of a surgery this is. You know, how would you compare the healing process with how we did things versus the first time you had the surgery?
Pain?
Yeah.
Oh my God, nothing. I mean, I kept on asking, when can I exercise? When can I exercise? Because I just didn't really think I felt anything.
Compared to the first time you had surgery, this is
yeah. I mean, I was hitting the mall. I think day 3. I was ready to walk around. You know, just nothing. Unless I'm Superwoman, I don't know. But I just.
But you had it before. The first time, did you have a lot of pain? Or?
The first time I did, the hunching just never seemed like I was gonna get back up.
Yeah.
They need to make him the revision king. Get a magazine, I don't know, put him on the front cover with the crown, do something, because I cannot begin to tell you how ugly I looked, and so just uneven every which way. And
Yeah, it's better.
he did it.
Yeah.
He did it, people. You guys want to get revision done? You need to come here. I'm serious.